So,
Record.
shut up.
Welcome to WrestleMania. First contestant is Brock Lesnar. This battle was really important. Undertaker versus Brock Lesnar. So what do you think of this battle, Jeff?
Oh, I think this is going to be a really epic battle. What about you?
It's going to be really epic. Brock Lesnar really showing off his muscles.
I don't think he has any muscles. He's all bloody.
Second contestant is The Undertaker. Oh, he doesn't have his hat today. It caught on fire. So yeah.
Oh, yeah, I remember that. Kane burned it. He threw it in the flame when he beat Undertaker in that last match.
I just have to make this final announcement. This is probably going to be my last match.
No, but yeah.
I know it's sad.
Yeah.
It all depends.
No.
I could come back in the future like I've done before. But let's do this.
Ding, ding, ding. Oh, that footing though with Brock Lesnar.
Oh, Undertaker just picked him up and slammed him. And we have a very special guest tonight. He's came from Africa. He's the most funniest fighter in the world. But sadly, he lost his voice because he kept saying all this. He kept screaming. So he can't say anything, but we'll see if he can say something. He's nuts. That's all I can say, guys. Alright, back to you, Jack.
So, looks like, what you doing now? I don't know, I'm new to this stuff.
Oh, no way.
Undertaker looks hurt.
Yeah, he does.
Oh, that's brutal.
Now, just know that.
Undertaker's mad.
Oh, he's putting him back to sleep. Put him back to sleep. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that looks really, really, really bad. That's a really bad position.
Oh my gosh, what the heck? What?
Yeah, oh, he broke out of it. And they keep fighting.
Ooh. I just need you in the Brock with a giant knee to the head. Go. Oh my god. Undertaker's getting back up. Brock's on the floor.
Back to you, Jack. I've been wondering, since I just got here in the middle of the match, or at the beginning, I never got told, is this a Royal Rumble, or is it just, I'm not sure.
No, it's a WrestleMania.
Oh, okay. Thanks for the information.
close to us.
Oh.
Oh, I wonder what happened.
Did you see that? Oh, if you don't announce, I'm gonna stop.
Oh my gosh! Wonderful, wonderful takeover over the ring. Oh, and he drop kicks. Oh my gosh. Jeez, throwing him over the couch was really epic. That's like the best move I've seen all day long. Oh, and he goes for a shot. Oh, he's trying to suplex him. He suplexed him. What the? And he suplexed him again. Oh crap. Oh crap. Is he gonna do another one? Is he gonna do another one? Oh my god. I'm a little tired, Jack. Oh yeah, it's really late at night. One, two, yeet. Oh my gosh. I can't believe he broke out of that. He was only half a second away of getting out. Let's get him back up. Oh, oh. Oh. Joe, stop. Never mind, I thought that was too strong. Jack, you're always saying stupid stuff. Oh. Oh. Foot right to the face, knock it out. What's going on? What's going on? Looks like he's going for a spear. Nope. Choke slam. Choke slam. Oh my god. Out of the ring. He choke slammed him out of the ring. Oh my gosh. Threw him back in. Oh my gosh. Then he falls on the floor. Oh, watch out, watch out. Oh my gosh. Oh, kicked right to the face. Oh, he's standing up. He's standing up. Oh, what's going on? Oh my. Oh my gosh.
Just don't. You can't do it.
Oh my gosh. What epic move.
And some reason,
So for some reason Brock Lesnar couldn't F5 him. Oh my bad, I'm in 1F.
I did tap.
Oh my gosh, what's going on?
I got the rope.
You got the rope.
It was probably the rope.
It was a rope break. Oh, stuck to the face. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh. remember that last time when Undertaker sent me forward to did that.
Yeah, that was pretty embarrassing. Oh crap, he's screwed. He is screwed. He is screwed. He is screaming for his life. Oh my god.
Wrap your feet around my head. Wrap your feet. Lock your feet, Jonathan. Lock it. There you go. Put your arms around my legs. It looks more realistic.
Oh my god. Tombstone.
What? Ooh, and a kick out.
I wonder when Brock Lesnar's gonna give up. Or The Undertaker. One of those two. Picks him up. Oh, puts him down on the floor.
Robbie, you just hit my shoulder.
Oh, he hit his shoulder on the ring. Oh my god. Oh, and he kicks him. Oh.
It's not letting him out. It's not letting him out.
Grab him by his neck. Oh, wonder if Brock Lesnar's gonna give up. And tonight, this match is sponsored by Red Robin. Red Robin.
That's a catchy word for the thing.
1, 2.
I'm eating a Red Robin burger right now. Oh, it's delicious.
One.
Oh, what's going on? Is this match gonna end right here or not?
What?
Kick out. You do not want to see the Undertaker on Heath's match. He's gonna freaking make the Undertaker loose and crap himself. Oh! 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 Oh crap!
Suplex.
Oh my gosh! And they're both down. Oh, who's gonna get up? They're both down. One's up now. Oh my god! Oh, he's bouncing off the ring. Oh, he's bouncing off it again. And he's bouncing off it again. And he kicked him in the face. Oh my god. He's bouncing off the ring. Sorry, my bad. Oh, choke slam. Choke slam. Hey! Oh, picks him up. Say Undertaker's about to do Brock Lesnar's move. Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
That really hurt. Oh, I hit the couch.
Oh,
The
both down, and they're both talking. We're lucky we got good audio so you can hear them. Oh,
I hit the
oh my gosh. I hit the rope. Oh, I hit the rope. Oh, who's gonna get up first? Who's gonna get up first?
Legit hurts, bro.
Who's gonna get up first? The Undertaker said he's about to fight, but he was just gonna. Oh, get your face. Oh my god. What's going on?
I don't know, man, but this is a really crazy match tonight.
Oh, Undertaker got knocked out.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Undertaker's girl. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Oh, he almost won. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Brock Lesnar suddenly is super weak. He's super tired too, and he has a little extra bald spot in his head. And he has cauliflower ears. And he has a belly back. Oh my gosh, what happened to him? He lost weight, I can tell. He got some skinny legs too. And he jumps off and tries to, and he falls. And he gets up. What's he doing now? Oh! I wonder if the Undertaker's gonna use Brock's move, rock bottom. That would be a really interesting move if the Undertaker used it. 1, 2. Oh, he picks him up. He picks him up and then he falls. Oh, what's going on?
Not good.
Suplex! Oh my god! Oh! Another one! We should get DJ Khaled up in here because another one. Good thing I did mixtape. Another. Oh my god! What if he doesn't get good? He's landing on the freaking chairs. What's the chair doing in the ring? Wonder if the ref's gonna come in there and get the chair off. Here comes the ref. Oh! Ding! Oh! Oh my gosh! Uh-oh. Tombstone! Tombstone! Oh! 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 Oh!
Another.
Ethan, I need your clothes.
Oh! Oh!
Okay, we're back.
Oh! Oh! Crap! Oh! 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 Oh!
Check out the mixer.
Oh! 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 The backbreaker! Oh! Pull them back up! Oh! Oh crap! He's going for another tombstone! Oh! Oh my god! You might want to cross your heart for this one. Oh! Oh my god! He's knocked out! 1, 2, 3! Ding ding ding! Ding. The Undertaker won this match. I wonder if they're ever going to do this again. This is a really epic match tonight. Oh my gosh.